When using pipe wrenches on iron and PVC pipes, it's crucial to adjust your approach to avoid damaging either material. For iron pipes, which are durable but heavy, use a robust, serrated pipe wrench. The serrated teeth grip the iron securely, allowing you to apply the necessary torque for tightening or loosening. When using a pipe wrench on iron, ensure that the wrench is appropriately sized to the pipe diameter. Larger wrenches may be required for bigger iron pipes. Avoid excessive force, as over-tightening can lead to thread stripping or pipe breakage. For PVC pipes, which are more fragile and susceptible to cracking, you should use a gentler approach. PVC pipe wrenches or strap wrenches are ideal, as they provide grip without damaging the surface. Strap wrenches use a flexible, non-abrasive strap that wraps around the pipe, reducing the risk of crushing or cracking. If you must use a pipe wrench, ensure the teeth are not in direct contact with the pipe's surface, as this could result in unwanted marks or stress fractures. In both cases, take care to apply controlled, even pressure. Using the wrong tool or technique can lead to damage, costing both time and money.